Hi everyone. This weekend I've been experimenting with OpenAI's new real-time API, which provides advanced mode enabling natural, low-latency speech-to-speech conversation using 6 preset voices. Before diving in, I want to thank all of the amazing people who have enrolled in my course at codewithbeto.dev. I'm really grateful for your support, and as a thank you, I've decided to make this project free for all active subscribers. You get lifetime access to the project within the Code with Beto GitHub organization, where you can collaborate, discuss, and even contribute together. You'll find instructions to request access below if you are interested. I was really inspired by Arc's AI call feature, so I put extra effort into crafting a smooth UI and integration. I've only tested on iOS so far, so keep that in mind. The code might need some tweaks for Android. For example, I'm using Expo Mesh Gradient for background effects, which is only for iOS. Enough talking, now let's dive into the demo. I'm recording with my real camera, of course, as you can see, because I want to give you a feel of how this application feels in the real world. And you might be able to test this from TestFlight. I sent this application for review so that I can publish it as a public beta version, but also I only have $30 in OpenAI credits, so you might not be able to test this out in the real world unless you have the code. And let's kick off the conversation. I'm going to press start call. It's connecting.
Hey there, what's on your mind?
Hey, nothing much. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Ready to dive into anything Expo or just have a chat. What's up?
Okay, so a couple of things to notice is that when you press the start call, we're doing a get request to a session using OpenAI. And for that, we're using Expo router API routes. So after we get the session, OpenAI returns an ephemeral API key that it's safe to use on the client side, and then we start the conversation. Now, the first time takes what, like a second or maybe less, and once the conversation starts, it's super fast. Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing great. Can you tell me, what's new about Expo?
Absolutely. Expo SDK 53 is out with some cool features. They've made the new architecture.
Another thing to notice is that you can interrupt it. So right now, if I start talking, it's going to stop and listen. And then you can also ask more specific questions like, can you please speak slowly and repeat that?
Sure thing. Expo SDK 53.
Okay, now speak very fast.
Sure thing. Expo SDK 53 is out.
Very cool, huh? Now, another cool thing is that once you have these into devices, you can start doing weird stuff like having these two AI talk to each other. So let's try to do that. I'm going to start the conversation with this one. Hey, what's your favorite thing about Expo?
Oh, easy. Expo's got this killer combo of simplicity and power. It lets you build.
Can you just be quick on your answers?
Absolutely. I'll keep it snappy. What's on your mind?
What's new with Expo?
Expo SDK 53 just dropped. Highlights, new architecture by default, edge-to-edge on Android, Expo UI for cross-platform components, and React Native 0.79. Plus, new modules like Expo Audio and Expo Maps, and support for React server functions. Ready to dive in?
Absolutely. Let's dive in.
Awesome. Where do you want to start? New features, modules, or something else?
How about we kick off with the new features? Ready when you are.
Let's go. Expo SDK 53 highlights.
Okay, so as you can see, they are going to start talking forever and consuming my money. Another very cool thing, guys, that I really like is that I'm using Expo UI, by the way. So I can long press here and then choose a different voice, for example, verse. And let's start a conversation. Hey, how are you?
Hey there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
Yeah, so let's try a new one. Hi, how is this application made?
Hey there. This app's built with React Native and Expo, the dynamic duo for
How
cross-platform.
can I get access to this application?
Easy peasy. If you're enrolled in any course at Code with Beto, you're in. This app is a freebie for members, designed to help you learn React Native and Expo like a pro.
Yeah, another thing to notice is that you can see here in small letters like who are you talking to or which voice are you using. And that's it for now. I hope this sparks some ideas for your own AI-powered projects. If you want to check out the code or play with the demo, everything's linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Don't forget to follow Code with Beto for more awesome content. Happy coding, everyone.